Okay, so welcome to this quick tutorial on alkenes. So alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons because they contain the double carbon to carbon bond. So they are said to be unsaturated. This is because you can add something onto that bond. The bond can open up and allow you to add something. So when the double bonds open up, it opens up as shown there. It will allow you to add something onto the molecule. So you're going to see that alkenes undergo addition reactions, and they are also very reactive compared to their counterparts, the alkenes, which are saturated. So these unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive. So when the bond opens up, it's going to allow you to add atoms from another molecule, and those reactions are called addition reactions. So we're going to look at three types here: the addition of hydrogen, water, and halogens onto the alkene double bond. So let's look at the first reaction, which is the addition of hydrogen. So the alkene bond will open up in the presence of a catalyst there and allow you to add hydrogen onto the molecule, which will give you propane. So propene will give you propane here, which is a saturated hydrocarbon. So the addition of water also requires a catalyst and some very high temperatures. The water molecule will split to give you your H plus and OH minus ions, and these will add on to the double bond, and this time they give you ethanol. So when you have molecules with an OH group, these are called alcohols. So the OH group will give us alcohols, and alcohols are very important. They're used as beverages, as solvents, and so this reaction is very common in industry. We can also add halogens, group 7 elements, onto the alkene double bond, as exemplified there by our ethene. So ethene plus bromine, you do not need a catalyst. This will happen at room temperature. The double bond is going to open up and allow you to add your bromine as shown there. So you are going to form a new type of a compound, which is called a halogenoalkane. So this one is called dibromoethane because it has two bromine atoms that have been added onto that double bond. It is also important to take note here that bromine has a color, the orange color shown there, and if you react it with alkenes, it's going to decolorize, so that orange color will disappear. So this forms the basis for the test of alkenes. You should know that alkenes will decolorize bromine water, whereas alkanes cannot do that. So you can use this test to distinguish between alkanes and alkenes. You know that alkenes will decolorize your bromine, whilst alkanes are not able to do that. Okay, so let's just summarize what we said so far. The reactions of alkenes will involve here your combustion. They also burn. Your addition reactions, addition of bromine, and we saw that you can also add water, you can add hydrogen in the presence of a nickel catalyst. So I'll see you in the next video.